Can we recap and see if you remember how to greet in Swahili? Shikamoo. Shikamoo. Habari yako. Habari yako. Za asubuhi. Za asubuhi. Za mchana. Za mchana. Za jioni. Za jioni. I hope you are enjoying every bit of content, and I know you want me to do more, and I will, promise. I love you. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share, please. Can we reply to our Swahili words in the first episode? So when the person has told you shikamoo, you kindly reply maraba, hujambo, which means I'm alright. When someone says habari yako, use nzuri, I am good. So when someone says asubuhi, you kindly reply salama. Za asubuhi. You can also say nzuri. And the same thing when they say za jioni, and the same thing when they say za mchana. So if you want to know how to speak those words, how to greet, please go to the first video. The first episode. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.